SOUN has been showing a lot of weakness within a longer term bearish trend, down 10.81%. This is Friday, the 7th of November, 2025. Still post market session of Thursday, the 6th. So the stock has been on the downtrend since the 16th of October. Yesterday, in the post market session, the company disclosed its earnings outcomes. It missed on every count apart from revenue. Revenue was a beat, but earnings per share was a miss. EBITDA was also a miss. Cautious investors are getting concerned about the widening net losses and the dwindling net cash reserves as as pointing to the prospects of more dilution occurring. But bullish investors are pointing out that with the partnerships the company is forging, it gives it room to continue to expand in the future. It gives it grounds to do better in the future. So in the short term, yeah, really concerned investors are bringing more scrutiny. They want to see an improvement in the near term picture. But bullish and more bullish investors. They keep pointing to the alliances, the partnerships, the contracts the company has been securing. So there's that tug of war between near term and short term prospects and all that stuff. So, but in any case, the extrapolation of it, you can see the 200-day moving average. It looks bullish, but it's just gone bearish now. It has gone bearish now. You know, um, the extrapolation of its three-period moving average is saying that lower prices will continue to print at least up till the 12th of December when it may stabilize. The 40-day moving average is also saying the same thing. So the interaction of these two extrapolations is saying that the stock is not going to go beyond its 40-day moving average. It's saying that this is the space it's going to trade within. Maybe at various times attempting to bounce, but the algos don't see any spike. They don't see any bounce to the upside. No bounce to the upside. Okay, but this is a critical projection, 15.58. It has tested it. It tested it yes on Wednesday. Okay, but unfortunately, it didn't work because of this the negative earnings disclosure. So if it does attempt to, the Argos is saying that it might bounce. It might bounce from when? From Friday, from today. Okay, let's see whether that will be the case. If it and says it, if it bounces, it's going to remain in place up till Tuesday. And if it does test that this moving average, then there's a good chance it may go ahead and probably defy this extrapolation. But we'll see how things go. We'll see how things go. Okay. As things stand right now, yes, all the moving averages, including this 200-day moving average, is also bearish. The stock is trading at a premium to it, but this has gone bearish. That's how bad things have gone. Unfortunately, it hasn't. It hasn't built up enough strength of late to prevent this moving average from going neutral, going bearish. So it's currently trending right now. We could just quickly have a look at its 4-hour chart and see what it's saying. Okay, the 4-hour chart is saying it's going to bounce. Okay, so it's expecting some expansion to happen, a bounce, and then maybe an attempt to defy the downtrend. But the 40-day moving average is also providing a ceiling. Okay, so it's going to be more of when it bounces, it's going to be contracting as well. So it has a limited prospect of expanding so much to the upside. Okay, so the Argos are saying it may bounce. Okay, and hold it up till the 17th of November. That will be Monday. Okay, but it's not going to be. It's not going to be. It's not going to be explosive. It's going to, well, at some points, yes, momentum will be strong. Momentum will be strong. Okay. It's actually saying here that the stock may move above its it may move above its 10 period moving average and then hold that momentum, but it's limited to it may be limited by its 40 period moving average. Okay, so it's expected to trade within the space here, but after that, so it's going to yeah, it's going to expand, but with the 40 period moving average will be providing a contraction. And then after that, there might be another attempt to expand again. Then after that, then they might now decline. Okay, so these are just extrapolations. No guarantee that they will turn out like this. Okay, projections are saying, let's see what we have. Previous projections we had, let's see, 15.33, 24.85, 27.26, 28.74, 16.33, 17.94. The odds of those printing are not very high. Look at this, 15.85. The probability of it printing is quite decent. I can say maybe close to 30%, but yeah, quite close to 30%. But doesn't mean it will happen. Doesn't mean it will happen. But it's encouraging. It's encouraging. Yeah. So that's what's going on right now. The stock is currently trending. Let's see how things go, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.